Welcome everyone to What's Happening in Crypto, exploring all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. The chief executive of Allianz Global Investors has called for a ban on cryptocurrencies. Great. We can just add this guy to the long list of people who don't really matter and who have been calling for the death of Bitcoin or for governments to step in and save the little man from these evil investments. Why is he saying that crypto should be banned? Because some investors lost money on it. That's not a good reason. And of course, that totally glosses over the fact of all the people who have made insane amounts of life-changing money by investing in cryptocurrencies. And there are a lot of people who have made a lot of money. There are also a lot of people who have lost a lot of money. But it happens in all markets. In all markets. Yeah, people have lost more money since the start of the year as the downtrend continues, but people are making money even today in the markets. The volatility alone is enough for a lot of investors, the savvy traders, to still be making good profits, even in this market. That's something to think about. And in terms of, okay, well, some investors did lose money. Well, I didn't hear this guy calling for the end of the stock markets in 2008 when a lot of people lost a lot of money. No, that would be unthinkable, wouldn't it? We can't say that people lost money in the stock markets, therefore we should shut it down. No, that would be ridiculous. People knew the risks when they got involved. What about the property bubbles that keep happening? Where is he saying, well, we shouldn't let people invest in property anymore because they might lose their money on it? It's equally as ridiculous to say that you shouldn't be allowed to invest in cryptocurrencies because somebody might lose money on it. It's an absolute false argument that he's making. And of course, he's one of these people, oh, well, it should only be for accredited investors to invest in these high-risk financial products. Why? Why? So the wealthy can get wealthier? Why can't regular people have a chance to get invested in something and be able to make money without having to go to some kind of a stockbroker, for example? Or to be able to invest in an initial offering of something without having to have millions of dollars of net worth in order to be classified as an accredited investor. It's all BS. It's all BS from some guy who is part of the problem, essentially. He wants the walled gardens, he lives in the walled garden, and he doesn't want anyone else to get into the walled garden. He wants to be the arbiter of your wealth future. And of course, it's not like Allianz has their hands clean. No, they have actually been caught bribing public officials on multiple occasions to screw people over. And yeah, sure, they got fines for that, but they still did it. They've broken lots of laws. They did things like selling 100,000 of their customers completely valueless insurance via some dodgy add-on deals at car dealers. That's terrible. Yeah, they had to pay a fine for that too. So it's not like these guys are talking from some position of, cleanliness. Well, far from it. They're a financial institution. They're dirty, like so many of them. And look, Allianz is a big group. I get it. But at the same time, just look over at Fidelity. Fidelity's bigger, and Fidelity digs crypto. Fidelity wants to get into crypto, and that's a double-edged sword and a bit of a poison chalice. I know all that. Getting these big institutional investors to come bringing all their money and all their problems and all their drama and all their baggage into crypto, but they want to get in. So these kind of voices, I feel like, are really minority voices, and it gets a lot of press. Everyone talks about it, Reuters and Bloomberg, and everyone's saying, see, look, this serious guy said that crypto's a joke and it's a ban and blah, 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 blah. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. It's just another person to add on to our list of old men shaking their fists at the moon, basically. Anyway, those are just my thoughts on his comments about Bitcoin needing to be banned. Of course, cryptocurrencies altogether needing to be outlawed. It's a ridiculous statement. It shows he doesn't understand the technology and that he is behind the times. Get out of here, dinosaur man. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on his comments down below in the comment section. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. If you are new around here, subscribe to the channel to see more of these videos. You can hit that notification bell. A quick reminder, I love you all. You're super awesome. Thank you so much for watching the video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.